Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I don't even know how to begin, how to start this, but we're just gonna go with it. Guys, I'm back. I'm doing another video. I'm not even gonna give you excuses, but I'm excited to be back. And today we're gonna be trying out new products that I got in this month's Boxycharm, in last month's Boxycharm, and any other new things that I've picked up from the drugstore recently. I do have a new foundation review coming up next, so you definitely wanna keep an eye on that. And if you have any other foundations that you really want me to test out, let me know down below in the comment section. I actually read your comments and I love seeing your comments. And I'm excited to be trying out some foundations for my olive skin. So yeah, let's just get, before we start though, make sure you subscribe, you hit that notification bell so you can be notified of all my future videos, and always go over to Instagram and follow me there. I'm at Bondbeautyful, and you can see a lot of the things that I do every single day over there. So without further ado, let's get into Boxycharm. I am super excited. So I have this last month's Boxycharm, and then the Boxycharm before that, I got the Boxy Luxe. So I have a few of those products, makeup products to share with you. So let's just get started. I love Boxycharm. I always have, because you get full-size products and they're actually good products. Anastasia, Beverly Hills, you get Ofra, you get Wander Beauty, you get NARS, you get all types of really good makeup brands for a really affordable price, all in one. So let's start. The only thing that isn't makeup related that I got this month is the Earth Harbor Nebula Sea Lavender and Ginseng. It's a Clarity Ampoule, it says. So it is skincare. This usually retails for $46, you guys. Can you believe that? The answer to finding peaceful energy and the light within your skin, a clarifying treatment. It gives you gentle glow. So this is what it looks like. It's a clarifying treatment. I love all things skincare, guys. I'm over 30 now, and these things, oh, you guys, no matter your age, you should be getting into skincare and learning about it. So I'm excited to try. This next thing is from Persona. It's an e-balm, which is vegan, cruelty-free. It's a tinted lip balm. So I'm gonna put this on. It's a sheer lightweight tinted lip balm, and just because I need it. Persona has such cute packaging. I'm gonna bring you guys in a second. Whoa, it's like a red. Ooh. Ooh, tinted lip balm, all right. This is more of a tinted something than a lip balm. Look how red it made my lips, but I really need a lip balm, so I'm gonna wear that. Wow, that really is tinted. Okay, I'm gonna bring you guys in close and let's do some makeup. We have this Angel Eyes eyeshadow primer base by True and Luscious. This one retails for $22. It's a hydrating eye primer that locks in your eyeshadow. Ooh, a hydrating eyeshadow primer? I don't think I've tried one that claims to be hydrating. It's like a purple bottle. Let's try. All right, I like that so far. I did get an eyeshadow this month, and I also got an eyeshadow for last month's Boxy Luxe. So I'll show you both. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Look at this. And it's starting to get super romantic colors for Valentine's Day. Oh my word. This one right here is like a duochrome, like pinky gold. I don't know if you can see that, but oh, I like it. I like it. I like it. Okay, last month though, I got the Natasha Denona Zendo palette. Yeah, that's right. We got a Natasha Denona palette in the Boxy Luxe box. Isn't that crazy? Look at, so this is what that palette looks like. Just really pretty colors. I haven't even used it. So let's see what we can do with both of these together forever. I'm gonna do this color all over the brow. Not the brow, wow. The crease. Why can I not speak? Because I'm super nervous. This is my first video back. I was sitting and answering comments yesterday night, and I loved reading you guys' comments. Like, I love that you guys love my videos, and that you guys also tell me about yourselves. Day trip right here. I finally set up my computer. We've been in here for a year and I haven't set up my computer. It's been 1 year since we bought this house. I finally set it up. so I'm actually able to edit videos and whatnot. This on holiday color, and I'm gonna spray my brush. I'm gonna pack it all over the lid, and let's see if we can make it look really nice. I had got this Dear Midnight Set to Last setting spray in a Boxycharm a couple months past. I still haven't used it, so we'll put it to the test. See what happens. Oh my gosh. Can you see that? Can you see that? Oh my gosh, that is like a foil Valentine's glitter. I have this like Tarte double take away. I got this in a Boxycharm a couple months past, so I'm gonna get into this side right here, which is the awake side, and pop that on to make me look like I'm not sleeping. I also got the Make Serum Balm in the Boxy Luxe, so let's see what this is. Okay, so I did get this Tarte, like I said, a couple months ago, or this might have came in the Boxy Luxe, I don't remember, or maybe a Tarte Boxy. So I'm going to do a little wing, and this does have a teeny tiny tip. This is like the smallest tip I've ever seen. So let's see what this baby can do. Can this baby perform? We're gonna find out. This baby can perform, but it's having trouble over that glitter. Oh, wow, that looks cute. Did you see that? I like this. I like how teeny tiny it is. I like it, but they're very uneven. Good thing I like put my hair to the side of the face, so it'll be okay. But I like it. I like how teeny tiny I can make that wing. That looks really good. Okay. I do have a new primer. This is the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. I haven't tried it yet, so I thought I would try. I've been getting a ton of Kiss lashes. They really have stepped up their game. They have like limited edition lashes for Halloween. They had limited edition lashes for Christmas, and they're not like cheapo looking lashes. They look really, really nice, super glamorous, really, really beautiful. And I love their Sister Nature line because it just, to me, it's just so whimsical and so natural. So this one is the, what's this one called? Oh, this one is an Ivy, and it's vegan mink lashes, and then they also have biodegradable they're biodegradable lashes, cruelty free, and they're just more aware of the planet with this line. So I'm gonna put these babies on. Also guys, they do have lash glue liners. They have a black one and a clear one, and they really do work. They're amazing, great to put in your bag for on the go. Just use it like an eyeliner and you put your lashes right on top. I absolutely love them, and I've been dying to share them. Definitely gonna be in my favorites. This one's the clear one. I'm gonna try using the clear over the black because I can't find the black one. So we're gonna see how this works. We're gonna make it work. Boom. What do you guys think about the lashes? The all natural biodegradable lashes. What do you think? I think it looks really nice. I like it. Okay, so let's go straight in to this primer. I'm so excited. I hope it's very similar to the grip. Okay, I can tell. Actually, might be. Okay, this little Smashbox looks like it's going to be too dark for me, so I'm going to go in with the ColourPop Pretty Fresh. I am in the shade Medium 80W. Yeah, this is going to be better, and I'm going to use a brush. There we go. Foundation's on. I just got a new concealer. The concealer that I got is the NARS, the creamy, radiant creamy concealer. I've just been putting it off, but I've been wanting to try it for so long. So I'm just gonna put a little bit here. I got it in the shade Light 2.8. So I'm gonna pop that on real quick. Okay, I do have two creamy blushes that came in the Boxycharm, but I want to set my face first. That's usually what I do with all my cream products. It has to work on top of setting powder. So I'm going to use the Beauty Bakery Flour setting powder. I just love this thing so much. I seriously need to try something new though, because I've been trying the same thing for a long time. Oh, something else new, guys. I got LASIK. I got LASIK done. I was really nervous about it, but I got it done because, I mean, I can't see anything. I can't see anything, and it would make me so paranoid at nighttime. So I'm glad that I can see now. I'm gonna quickly put the Day Trip color in my lower lashes just real quick. Okay, I'm back using this contour stick. I just love it so much. This is the I'm Me bronzer. It's the I'm multi-stick shading stick. So you can just be so precise with this. I just love it. Why am I only doing this side of my forehead? Because my hair goes to that side. So, being lazy, that's what I am. This is what I've been using. I've been so lame. The Park Avenue Princess palette and Princess Cut right there. I've just been bronzing with this every single day. I haven't even looked to try anything new. I just love it. I did get a new highlighter, guys. I got a new highlighter. The Rare Beauty Enlighten highlighter. Oh, I've only tried it out one time, but I'm in love with it, you guys. Why is Rare Beauty just killing it with their products? They're just so good. So I'm gonna put that baby on. It's so good. Why is it so good? Understand, but look at that. It's just so glowy. I just love it so much. Okay, so I've done that. Now cream blush. So this is the one that came in last month's Boxy Luxe. It's the Shayna B Miami Rosa cream blush, which is beautiful. It would actually match what I'm having going on today, but I'm gonna try this one, the soft pink cream blush from Dominique Cosmetics. This is what we got this month. And this one usually costs, wait, sorry. Oh, okay. The Dominique Cream Blush we got in last month's Boxy Luxe. And this pink blush is what we got this month. It retails for $18. So I might use this one then, but I want to just take a peek of this. Oh, they're both really pretty. Oh, they're both really pretty. Look at that. Oh, they look very similar. Look. But I still think this one will look better. Oh, I'm going to save this, guys. We're going to try it out next time. I'm going to go in with my It's Likely Makeup Duo Fiber Brush. Man, this thing's old, but I loved this collab that she did. I don't even remember with who because it's all faded. I like it already. I like it already because it doesn't feel like all dewy and creamy where it's messing up the makeup underneath. It just feels like I'm putting on a normal blush, but it looks so nice. Put some on my nose and my chin for fun. Ooh, I like that for Valentine's Day. It's so cute. Might have to recreate this look for Valentine's Day. Okay. Last lipstick. I'm gonna go with a nice nude lipstick like I always do. Okay, so I do want to say that this Make Balm, I really liked it. It felt so nice on my lips. So I just want to say that. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with a nude and I'm going to start with this Rare Beauty Kind Words Matte Lip Liner in Creative. I love this lip liner so much that I went and got the lip gloss that goes with this, and I love the combo. That and the lip gloss, that would be really pretty, but I think I'm gonna go with a little bit more nude because there's a lot of pink going on. I love this. So this is the Deluxe Lipstick number 18 from, is it CBFC? CBFC? Oh, I don't remember, but you guys know what I'm talking about, right? Got it a while ago. I like it. Perfect. I like it. I like how this turned out. I'm gonna spray my face with the Dear Midnight Set to Last spray here. Oh, it has perfume in it. It has fragrance to it. I don't know how I feel about that. But it feels nice. This spray feels really nice. What do you guys think? How did it turn out? Let me know. I actually really like it. This cream blush. I don't wear pink very often, but this is such a soft pink. Valentine's Day, you need this blush, guys. You need it. You need this eyeliner. I mean, this palette, because this color is to die for, and they have pretty purples that I could actually work with. So maybe I'll do a purpley look next or something. But I'm feeling it. I feel very pretty in this look. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Okay guys, so this is my completed look. I love the pink vibes. Like, I'm totally feeling it. Tomorrow I'm going to this event here in Rhode Island. If you guys, you probably have heard of Newport. Like, everyone's heard of Newport in Rhode Island. It's such a beautiful beach city, very, very popular vacation destination, just so gorgeous. And they actually have a bunch of amazing restaurants there, but I'm going to an event at the Reef restaurant, which I'm really excited. And I'm thinking of wearing like a pink dress, or like a pink with hearts, like Valentine's vibe dress, so I can take a lot of pictures and post it over on my Instagram. And I'm kind of feeling this makeup look. I might do that for that. I don't know. I'm just kind of feeling it. So I'm excited. I'll let you guys know. Hopefully my dresses come in. Thank goodness for Amazon. Hopefully it comes in tomorrow early. But you can always go over to my Instagram and you will see what's going on tomorrow, Thursday of this week. So it could be today, the day I'm posting this. I'm not sure. But Thursday, you need to go over to my Instagram, check it out. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I love Boxycharm. You guys already know this. And I mean, you saw the products in action. I'm really, really, really loving, surprise, surprise, this eyeshadow base. I mean, I'm kind of picky with my eyeshadow bases, and I've had the same one for so long, but I just ran out. So I like this. I really like this. I think it made my eyeshadow look really nice. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you're having a wonderful week and that you are finding things to be happy about and stay motivated about. And kind of finding yourself this year. Come on, let's make this the year where we find ourselves, we enjoy who we are, we love ourselves, and we do things for us this year. I don't know, that's kind of how I'm feeling personally. We'll talk about it more in another video, but yeah, I love you guys. I hope you'll subscribe to my channel and that you'll comment and tell me something about yourself down below. Just tell me what's going on. Anyways, I love you, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.